Why hello there guys. Today I shall be showing you guys how to sound like Billie Eilish in Audacity for the first time ever. I've been looking around on YouTube and I cannot find a video for FL Studio or Audacity. So I'm making the Audacity version right now, but I will be doing the FL Studio version so you guys can sound like Billie Eilish and sing on your microphone. So here we go. So my singing is not that good. Sometimes I can sing good and sometimes I can't. But right now I'm just going to make up my own little song and just sing it and put the vocal effect on it. So here we go. Started to see you walking over to me. Then you wanna dress up in all black, wondering what you're thinking about. Okay, so let's play this. Started to see you walking over to me. Then you wanna dress up in all black, wondering what you're thinking about. Okay, so when Billie does her songs, her voice is kind of low. So if you guys have deep voice, you're gonna have to change the pitch. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and go up here to change pitch. Right now it's in the middle. Say go over here. Maybe right here. Maybe. Uh, I don't even know what key that she puts it in. But anyway, guys. Started to see you walking over to me. Alright, we're going to change it. We're going to put D. And then we're going to put F and play it now. Started to see you walking over to me. Okay. So D to F seems to be pretty good. And if we move it right here, we can preview it.
Started to see you walking over to me.
So just keep it. Started to see you. Okay, guys, so just keep it the way it is. Now let's move on. I know this is complicated. Now what you guys want to have now is noise gate, but in Audacity we don't have noise gate. We have noise reduction, which is basically noise gate. Just highlight it all and hit get noise profile and click this to remove all the noise out. Then you want to click on EQ, then compressor. Now Billie does duplicate her vocals. She duplicates them at least 2 times or 3 times. So what I'm gonna do is finish editing this one out and then I'll duplicate it so you guys can hear how it sounds. So now I want to normalize, and then I'm going to the de-esser. I will put the link down below to the de-esser so you guys can download it. And then normalize it again. And then you guys want to put auto tune on it because Billie does use auto tune. However, she doesn't use that much. So here are the settings. I put 50 right here, 54 right here, 0 right here. The key is C minor. And if you have a deep voice, put low male. I think I'm an alto, so I'm gonna put alto right there. But let's try to see how it sounds now.
Started to see you walking over to me. Then you wanna dress up in all black.
All right, let's try low male now.
Wondering what you're thinking about. Started to see you walking over to me. Then you wanna dress up in all black. Wondering what you're thinking about.
Okay, guys. So after you guys have done all of that, you literally want to copy it, duplicate, go down here, duplicate. And you want to have it 3 times. Now I had trouble getting the instrumental, so sadly I don't have an instrumental beat to play my vocals on. But you guys can get the instrumental and play around with your vocals, and then see does you guys sound like Billie Eilish. And yeah, so here we go.
Started to see you walking over to me. Then you wanna dress up in all black. Wondering what you're thinking about.
Okay, now I know that this might sound crazy, but what I do is I record my vocals. I record my vocals inside of Audacity, and then after I go from Audacity, I go over to FL Studio. So now I'm finna go over to FL Studio, and I'm finna mix and master my vocal now, so you guys can hear that this does sound like Billie Eilish a little bit. And if you guys do sound like her, you will 100% sound like her once you do the final step. I will put I will put links in the description down below for all of this. So just basically get rid of those, get rid of those, get rid of those, get rid of those. Drag in your vocal track. Put your vocal track here. Brought this up to 1. Um, 1. Put that up all the way. And now this is basically how you mix and master everything. Now I'm just putting stuff on here. I already have the auto tune on it, so I don't have to put auto tune on it again. Um, EQ. I basically go down here. I go up, and then I go up to here. Reverb. Turn down the dry. Turn up the red. Lower dust. Lower dust in size. Okay, sound organizer. Okay, guys. This is taking a long time, but if you want to sound like Billie Eilish so bad, then you guys will watch this video and do it, okay? Okay, I got everything on here, so let's play it now. Okay, so now what you guys want to do is turn down the knobs because Billie doesn't use a lot of auto tune. She uses some auto tune, but basically when Billie uses auto tune, she only uses it for pitch correction. Um, it's not like T Pain auto tune or Future auto tune. So yeah, so you want to just turn down all this stuff and have it released right here. And now let's play it.
Started to see you walking over to me. Then you wanna dress up in all black. Wondering what you're thinking about.
Okay, guys, and this concludes how to sound like Billie Eilish in Audacity slash FL Studio in 2019. Drop a like and subscribe, guys. I'm out. Goodbye.